go over two specific areas on how we could automate PowerShape using standalone software we developed. Some of you may be familiar with macros in both PowerShape and PowerMill. Along with using macro language, we can integrate a user interface and have options to store information outside PowerShape itself. This is a full assembly with attached components. Being a plastic injection mold, we have several components. This particular base is 10 inches in X, 10 inches in Y, and various heights, Z heights on the components here. So we have a couple of parts here, example parts. And as we could see, this mold base is not big enough for these two plastic parts. So if you look to the left here in our history tree, you can see the software is going through each component and modifying it as it should. All this is done automatically with parameters set or written directly into the software. All the components can still be modified. This could be designed for pretty much anything. Stampings, die sets, foundry patterns, really doesn't matter. And it could be designed to your exact company's standards and specifications.